Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lynn. In case you haven't been here before, welcome. Today, in case you couldn't tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a sunset eyeshadow look. I'm super excited for this video, but stay tuned till the end to see the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more, definitely subscribe to my channel. Starting this month, I'm going to have weekly uploads. Every Tuesday, I'll have a new video uploaded to this channel. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So I already went ahead and did my face makeup and my eyebrows just for time purposes so that I could be a little more specific about what I did with my eyeshadow. But I already went ahead and I primed my eyes just using my Ulta Beauty matte eyeshadow primer. So the first color I'm going to be going in and using is out of my James Charles palette, and I'm just going to be using the color Canvas as a base. So next I'm going to be taking this flat brush and I'm just going to go in with the same palette, and I'm going to use this yellow color and I'm going to go in on the inner corner of my eyes. So next I'm going to be taking my Stila brush, a fluffy brush, and going in with the orange color from the same palette, shade 518, and I'm going to be blending that into my crease. So we've got the yellow and now the orange, and next I'm going to go in with a smaller crease brush just for a more defined line, and I'm going to go in with the orange red that's in the same palette right here. It is the shade Rusted. I'm just going to get that on my brush, and I'm just going to go right here on the lower outer corner of my eye, and then I'm just going to blend it up into the crease. Kinda like that. So next, taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with the red from the same palette, the same James Charles palette, and I'm going to blend it into the outer corners of my eyes. And then I just kind of took the red and wrung it out just a little bit because I'm going to do eyeliner and then clean it up anyways. It just helps get that shape and that curve going and helps you see where you're going to put your eyeliner. Going back in with a flat brush, I'm going to take that orange color again, and I'm going to put that in as a transition for in between my yellow and my orange red right here. You just want to blend that in so it kind of looks like it's fading. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the bottom lids. So what I'm going for is, so since I kind of faded it on the top, I'm going to go ahead and do that on the bottom. So I'm going to do a light blue, and I'm going to do a darker blue, and then I'm actually going to go into a little bit of like a purpley tone just to really get that sunset look in there and that deeper dimension. Taking a flat brush, I'm going to go in to the shade Hello on the same palette right here. I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of my lower lash line. Going in with this darker blue on the same brush, I'm just going to be putting that on the outer corner of my lower lash line and blending that out into the red, and it's going to make a purple. So since that didn't show up as purple as I wanted, I'm going to go in with a purple that's on the palette, and I'm just going to kind of put that in the outer corner here. And just blend that out. So now I want to focus on the inner corners of my eyes. So for the top of my inner corner, I'm going to take this Natural Love by Too Faced palette, and I'm going to dip right in here into the shade Fairy Tale, and I'm going to put that on the top of my inner corner. I'm going to put it right in that inner corner, and I'm going to blend that into the yellow. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in to the shade Flashback in the palette, and I'm just going to put that at my upper brow bone. Now for the liquid eyeliner, since I went in and I did the curve with my eyeshadow, it's pretty easy for me to find where I'm going to wing out my eyeliner, so I'm going to bring it right in from there, and I'm going to bring it all the way into the inner corner in my eye. Now I'm just going to go through and clean this up a little bit. I'm going to take some concealer, and then I'm going to take my concealer brush, and I'm just going to go in and clean up these areas right in here. And then I'm just taking my finger and I'm just kind of blending that purple up, and so it fades out under that eyeliner. Next for this look, I'm going to go ahead and apply some false lashes. So first I'm going to take some black eyeliner, just a pencil, and I'm just going to go on my upper waterline so that there's no gap between my lashes. And now I've used these before, so they're already sized, so I just have to glue them on. I'm just going to use my Duo Lash Glue to apply my lashes today. Alright you guys, and this is the completed look. I'm so happy with how this look turned out. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to go ahead and recreate it at home, my social medias will be down below. Definitely tag me in them so that I can see them. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like how my makeup turned out. I hope you guys liked this video, and we'll see you back here soon.